Now, if when I'm going to be practicing, it's going to sound like this. A lot of times I'm going to turn the microphone off or this how it's going to sound. Let me get ready to get out here. Hope I will get enough time to use. Yeah, take it home. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, college kid. Sound check. Reverb. I'm not gonna be using that screen. I'm gonna be using this one here. I'm out, y'all. Peace and grease. Thank you for your support.